Bink and Gollie, 2 for 1. You're special, aren't you? You're special, aren't you? Amateur talent show. You're special, aren't you? Oh, Bink, said Gollie. How I would love to be in a talent show.
But you have to stand on a stage,
said Bink. I can do that, said Gollie.
But you have to stand on a stage in front of an audience,
said Bink. I can do that, said Gollie.
Alrighty then,
said Bink. Pardon me, said Gollie. Are you in charge of the talent show?
Do you have a talent?
said the judge. I do, said Gollie. In fact, I have several.
That there is a top quality talent,
said the judge.
Uh-oh,
said Bink.
Incoming,
said the judge.
I can't even guess,
said the judge. Somewhere over the rainbow.
that's my friend,
said Bink.
What's her talent?
said the judge.
She has several,
said Bink.
What did you say her talent was again?
said the judge.
Here it comes,
said Bink.
Here comes Gollie's talent.
You call that talent?
said the judge.
Gollie,
said Bink.
Gollie,
said Bink.
were you afraid up there?
Yes, said Gollie.
What was your talent?
said Bink. I was going to recite a poem, said Gollie, on stage in front of an audience.
These cows are listening,
said Bink.
and so am I.
Old MacDonald, said Gollie.
Oh,
said Bink.
I know that one.
Had a farm, said Gollie. E-I,
E-I.
said Bink.
Oh,
said Bink and Gollie together.